Hey, my Tea Party squad, welcome back to my tea party. So, you guys, I did a thing. Your girl got her first Simply Gilded subscription box. I am super excited and I cannot wait to unbox this with you guys so we can check it all out and see the goodies. First of all, I'm loving the box. Give me anything with like a little ivory and rose gold. I am all here for it. Now, this is the April 2020 subscription box, but I am super late showing this to you guys because it actually came the 1st of May. And so I want to go ahead and share it with you guys because I want to go ahead and kind of get through some of my things during this quarantine life and get some things in order and organized. And so I thought, let me go ahead and start with my Simply Gilded. So let's pull all the goodies out and check out all of what's inside. And first of all, again, this box. I don't know if anyone is like a vet to this Simply Gilded, but your girl is about to keep the boxes. That's about to be a souvenir. First off, you guys, luggage tag. Do y'all see that? Super cute. So in this first class April 2020 box, we're going to get a journaling card, washi tapes, deluxe sticker kits. We're going to get seals, icons, and date dots, a binding notebook, a rose gold pen. Yes. We're going to get a sticker pouch, which we just saw there. And we're going to get a Secura pen, traveling scissors, and a mystery item. Ooh. All right. That's super cute. Love that. All right. So we already got, I guess this little luggage tag is like the mystery item because I don't see that listed on the little postcard there. But this is so cute. Oh, shape of an heart. Yes, luggage tag. This will be great for Go Wild since some of us have received the new date and some of us are able to go next year, June 2021. So excited. Yes, this is going to be the perfect tote to have to take to Go Wild and put on my luggage. Cannot wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm super cute. Okay, so here is the pouch. Super cute. I feel like some goodies in the inside. So I gotta open it because I'm really excited. All right, so I'm gonna start with this side. I think I'm gonna save the goodies for last, but we're gonna start with this side, of course, because that seems like the simplest little thing there. So we have this binding notebook. It's a B6 stitched binding notebook. And so we have some little clear pockets that we can slip in little cards and stuff. And so we have some goodies in the back. Oh, and this material is really soft too and flexible. So I guess this is like our journaling card. The foiled journaling card. And here is our deluxe sticker kits. And you know your girl had to show this off. Yes. Yes. London, New York. Awesome. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. And I'm loving the rose gold foil. Everything just matches. I love this. So here we have some icon stickers. Love those. And then next we have some date dots. Yeah, some date dots, heart icons and date dots. And then next we have some first class stickers here. Some full boxes. Then we have some cute little heart stickers that says Bon Voyage in different languages. Bonjour, all that good stuff. So cute. Love the color palette. Now this paper is like real soft and buttery like I don't know what type of paper this is, but it's really cute. And I'm like I said, I'm new to the Simply Gilded, so I don't know if this is like a normal sticker paper that they use, but this is awesome. I love the feel of it. And so that one says London, Dubai, New York, Sydney, Paris. Yes, these are some of my go-to places that I would love to visit one day. So I don't know what I'm going to use this on, but I really need to use it. But you know, you have to really use it for that special time and that special week. So I have to figure that out. But I am definitely going to use this one day. Use these stickers one day. All right. So next up we have this little journaling notebook. Looks like a little booklet. Oh, actually, I think this is the B6. This is the B6 binding notebook, I believe. Yes, because the pouch that was a pouch. I'm sorry. So this is the B6 binding notebook. And this is cute, and it has dot grid paper. Really good. This would be good for like a traveling notebook, and you can actually take pictures if you have like a HP Sprocket or a selfie machine where you can print the pictures and kind of document throughout your travels while you're on vacation and keep up with certain things in there. I think that'd be really cute. All right, so the moment I've been waiting for, because I know the washi. Look at that, the washi. Okay, I gotta pull all the washi's out, you guys. This is my first full collection of Simply Gilded washi. I feel legit now. Like, I feel like I have made it because I have joined the Simply Gilded. Oh, I'm loving this. It's so cute. So it has like a little globe of the continents in the states on there. Really cute. I don't know if you can make that out, but it has like a little compass on there. This is like a rose gold airplane with like some stars in the background, of course. Oh my goodness. And I love washi. But to tell you the truth, your girl have not been using washi as much as I used to. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not. But this is Simply Gilded. I definitely will have to find something to use this for. And then these are the smaller ones. I'm not quite for sure of the sizes, of course, but they are stars. And then, of course, the signature Simply Gilded ribbon washi. So cute. And then I get two of these. I get one in the regular size and one in a skinnier size. Oh, my heart is full, y'all. This is so awesome. Oh, do y'all see this pen? Oh, this pen. Give me a minute. Okay. So my planner bestie, Crystal Clear Ideas, she has been getting Simply Gilded orders a lot, and I have been checking out all of her Simply Gilded unboxings, and they are amazing. Each month is always amazing, and sometimes she does share the pins with me, and she stopped though. Well, we could talk about that, but she stopped sharing the pins. But I'm super glad that I was able to get my own pin, and then of course we are also getting a Sakura micro perm 0.05 ink pen in here. Never used this one, so I love to try new different pens and all that. And I think this is the traveling scissors. Look at that. Fancy. So the card does says that the traveling scissors will come in white or black, and so I got the white one, which is fine with me. But this is cute. Just the little things that you can think of to add to like a stationery box. And then you're having it themed as first class, like you're traveling. And of course, why not have that? Because you always need a pair of scissors. And, you know, TSA is not going to let you go through with just any random scissors. So I like that. That's really cute. And y'all, let's check out this washi again. I am so excited, you guys. I feel legit now. Like, your girl has stepped it up. I went and got my Simply Gilded. I have my first Simply Gilded washi, or my first round of Simply Gilded washi. So I'm really excited that I actually just splurged on this and got this for myself. So again, this is I just realized this is actually double-sided. So you get an opening on both sides, which is super cute. One of the things I was thinking about doing, because before the pandemic, I was, my family and I, we traveled a lot. And so I think this would be good to maybe like put your air flight tickets in, your passports, just kind of slip it in and slip it out when you're on the go. And because I have 3 kids, it's easier for me to slip in their plane tickets in there. Maybe put it in the back pocket and just kind of throw it in my backpack and kind of pull it out. But it's small enough that I can, put it inside of my backpack at the airport and carry it in my hand. So I'm loving this. So I actually, I'm actually going to go ahead and just take out all the stickers, and I'm going to organize it because I want to see the stickers. I don't want them in the back because I feel like if I keep them in the back, I'm going to forget about it. So we're going to place them in the front and see if they're going to actually, well, they should fit, but I want to take it out and put them in there so that way I don't forget about the stickers. And that can be something that as I open it, I remember to use them. So I'm loving this. I'm really, really loving this. I'm loving this theme. This was a perfect theme for me for my first box. I'm super excited. Now I'm really, really excited about what the next month subscription box is going to be. And so if you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed me unboxing this, Simply Gilded. If you want to see more of the Simply Gilded unboxings here at my tea party, let me know, because your girl will definitely do that. But you know, I probably will share it with you guys anyway, because we family, so why not? I gotta share it with y'all, because it took me a minute to kind of get on the Simply Gilded bandwagon, but your girl is hooked now. Okay, your girl is hooked. So I love how this fits in. I'm just trying to think of some other things that I could place in here besides my stickers, because I really want to really turn this into like my traveling case that I put all my items in. But all in all, I love it. Again, if you are new here to my tea party, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and hope that you also fell in love with Simply Good just as I have. And hopefully you'll like this video enough and like me enough to go ahead and click that subscribe button and become a part of my tea party squad. And again, to my tea party squad members, thank you for tuning in once again and always rocking with me always. And so I will see you guys at my next tea party. Bye, guys.